Tiny computers, cell phones, instant messaging, and video conferencing were all fancy science fiction notions until roughly 20 years ago. These days, they are so commonplace that we scarcely think twice about them. But what about all of those fantastic things like flying automobiles, robot fighters, and bionic body parts that science fiction, television, and media have promised us? Some of them, believed or not, are real and set to influence markets in the future. Here are some futuristic technology and creations that certain businesses made possible in the present. 1. Hoverboards. Hoverboards were a key component of the film Back to the Future. Although to date, no one has invented a device that actually hovers over the ground, a company called Hendo Hover is working on it. In the meantime, hoverboards with wheels that create the illusion of hovering have been introduced with mixed results. Reports of the hoverboards causing or catching fire curbed sales of the devices. 2. Tiny and powerful products. Nanotechnology, which is the manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale, offers a wide range of applications, including energy and medicine. Polymer-based nanoparticles with the ability to target and eradicate MRSA have been developed by scientists. 3. Moxie Robot. Since we're living in an era where technology has influenced people of every age, especially kids, thus the last to be on our list of futuristic tech gadgets is the Moxie Robot. It's a cutting-edge robot companion created specifically for kids. Moxie was created when a group of robotics, engineers, neuroscientists, creative storytellers, and child development specialists collaborated. Although they created this ingenious robot that teaches youngsters how to interact with each other and learn new abilities. Moxie is a socially assistive robot for children. It fosters social, emotional, and cognitive learning through play-based learning and engagement in the shape of a lovely character. It might look like a toy, but it's much more than that. 4. Ruconla Fiber Optic Cap LED Hat. If you're looking to be the life of the party, we have a really cool tech gadget for you. The Ruconla Fiber Optic Cap LED hat comes in 7 light-up colors: red, green, blue, gold, light blue, purple, and white, and 5 flashing modes: monochrome, flash, gradual, smooth, polychromatic. It is essentially one of the best party materials. The hat is unisex and easy to wear. You can adjust its size using the adjustable strap and buckle. It emits no radiation and is harmless to the body. You can charge the hat using the rechargeable battery that takes up to 2 hours for charging. Once fully charged, you can use it for up to 2 to 4 hours without any pause. You can also wash it gently. The Ruconla Fiber Optic Cap LED hat is portable, so you can carry it around wherever you go. This futuristic tech gadget is best suited for celebratory, party, vacation, and holiday events. You can also give it to others and surprise them. 5. Acer Concept D 7 Spatial Labs Edition Laptop. Experience eye-popping 3D animations without any glasses with the Acer Concept D 7 Spatial Labs Edition laptop. Above the screen is a set of stereo cameras that track your eye positions to display images in stereoscopic 3D. This Acer laptop with a 3D display projects 2 slightly different images through a lens to create real-time rendering immediately. Moreover, this laptop features a host of AI technologies to turn standard 2D content into stereoscopic 3D content. In fact, convert your 3D models into stereoscopic 3D and adjust the lighting, textures, and backgrounds. Finally, the Pantone-validated UHD 4K display boasts an array of colors to cover 100% of the Adobe RGB color gamut. Overall, it's suitable for interior designers showing walkthroughs of their designs or for capturing 360-degree cinematic experiences. 6. Google AR glasses. Read exactly what a person says to you in another language with the Google AR glasses. This concept wearable gives you the ability to see languages translated in front of your eyes. This is a game changer for your work with international companies and when you travel. Never again will you have to wonder what the server in a restaurant abroad is saying to you. These glasses show you his every word. It's an incredibly cool application and one that integrates AR more readily into our daily lives. Put on the glasses to see languages translated right on the lenses. This practical application of AR could bring game-changing improvements to the real world. 7. 3D printers. Remember the replicator from Star Trek? The explosion of 3D printing over the past few years has produced innovations just as dazzling, from rapid prototyping to medical applications. Right at the forefront of this trend are companies like MakerBot, which put powerful 3D printing power right in the hands of consumers. 8. Cam Read. Reading can be a serious challenge for tens of millions of people, whether they struggle with comprehension difficulties, poor vision, dyslexia, or other issues. But using computer vision and artificial intelligence, the OrCam Read $1,990 can read any piece of text aloud. Users target the device's laser frame at a page of a book, a menu, an advertisement, or a screen displaying text. Press a button, and the device instantly vocalizes it, in a voice that sounds remarkably natural. It also can read text in multiple languages, and since the device is able to respond to voice commands, you can ask it to read, say, a phone number from an ad, the operating hours of a business, or your favorite story again. 9. Dyson Zone Air Purifying Headphones. Ensure you breathe healthy air in the city with the Dyson Zone Air Purifying Headphones with ANC. Over a decade in the making, this gadget combines noise-canceling headphones with a wearable air purifier that sends clean air to your nose and mouth. This way, it tackles air and noise pollution simultaneously. Featuring a 2-stage purification system, it can filter city fumes and pollutants, letting you inhale purified air anywhere. Meanwhile, the contact-free visor sends a continuous flow of air to your nose and mouth without touching your face. It's a natural breathing solution that fits comfortably on your face without any stuffiness. Finally, the premium audio technology provides high-fidelity, immersive audio with advanced active noise canceling, letting you focus on your music. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably also like our other videos. Also, leave a like and a comment, as that really helps us out. If you want us to make a video about the topics in which you're interested, write it in the comments. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with more exciting videos to help you learn more. For more fascinating videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button and share it with your buddies.